Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video. So in today's video we'll be going on Indigo 7232 from Rajahmundry to Bangalore airport. So let's see which aircraft we're on today. ATR 72600. Okay, so we're flying on a turboprop aircraft, first time ever. So let's get the view of the wing. I am in seat 19A. Oh, you can see my reflection. That's it. So we will begin the taxiing shortly and we'll take off. One common runway. They've already started the engines. First time flying on a turboprop aircraft. Let's see how it goes. Okay, they've just given the announcement of the pilot's name, the cabin crew name. So they've given instructions, fasten your seat. They're doing the safety announcement right now. I'll listen and I'll get back to you.
Installed in all lavatories. Mobile phones and other small handheld electronic devices may be used in flight mode only. Please store your devices for takeoff and landing. Unauthorized usage or removal of any safety equipment, including life vests, and tampering with exits without true authorization is a punishable offense.
They've already
as it affects
started the
safety of
taxiing
the aircraft.
procedure.
Thank you for your cooperation. आपकी सुरक्षा सबसे महत्वपूर्ण है और हम आपसे अनुरोध करते हैं कि आप इस प्रदर्शन पर ध्यान दें। भले ही आप अनुभवी यात्री हैं, एक सुरक्षा निर्देश पत्र आपके सामने वाली कुर्सी की पॉकेट में उपलब्ध है। कुर्सी की पेटी इस तरह बांधी जाती है। कसने के लिए इस तरह फीते को खींचें।
We have made the second right turn onto the runway, I think so.
उड़ान के दौरान कुर्सी की पेटी बांधे रखें। इस विमान में 4 आपातकालीन द्वार हैं, 2 सामने और 2 पीछे। फर्श पर लगी प्रकाशमान पट्टियां आपको निकटतम निकास तक पहुंचने में सहायता करेंगी। आपके लिए ब्रेल में एक सुरक्षा सूचना कार्ड और संचार गाइड उपलब्ध है। Your safety is our top priority and we request you to pay close attention to this demonstration even if you fly frequently. A safety instruction card is available in the seat pocket for your reference. Secure your seat belt by inserting the metal tip into the buckle and tighten by pulling the loose end. To open, lift the buckle. It is recommended to keep your seat belt fastened at all times. There are 4 emergency exits on this aircraft, 2 at the front and 2 at the rear. The fluorescent strips along the floor will guide you to the closest exit. A safety information card and a communication guide are available in Braille. Thank you for your attention.
It's reflecting. They have told about the exit lights and the fluorescent paths. Did we just align on the runway? I am not sure, but let's see it. But the reflection here, you can see it. They should dim the lights for takeoff. It's already the engine, I think it's filling at 50% of the power. I can feel the vibration. They've not turned on the navigation lights, which means we're not on the runway. Yeah, just we told. White is turned on. Oh. Flaps came out. Ailerons are being checked now. But the turboprop engine starts. We can hear till the cabin inside. There's the fasten seatbelt, no smoking sign, and small blue lights here. Okay, they've just dimmed the lights for takeoff. By the way, I've bought some M&Ms to eat.
Giving crew to your seats for takeoff.
Yes, very, very short taxi. I don't know how good the audio is because of the engine spinning, but I talk to the mobile as closely as possible for the best audio. I think we have aligned on the runway for takeoff. They've turned on the navigation lights. Okay. They came from the ramp. Yes, sir. We are taking off. The vibration is so bad in this cabin. Shaking. 80 knots. Crossed. V1. Rotate. V2. Positive rate. Wow. I don't know how good that visibility is right now, but it'll show the most. We are climbing to our cruising altitude. The blue lights is so good here. The video quality might not be as good as the last one because it's a nighttime flight, but just try and cooperate. They'll turn on the cabin lights in some 10 to 15 minutes. By the way, it's a 5-degree nose up altitude to climbing. The city looks so nice from here. Climbing. It's about 1 minute into the flight and I think we are leveling off to gain some speed. Yeah, the land looks so beautiful. At least this will compensate the nighttime view. It's hard doing nighttime flights because it's only the darkness you can see, not any other. Unlike daytime flights which you can see very clearly because of the sun's light, it's nothing here.